I'm in a big hair kind of mood. Hey hedgies, welcome back. How's it going? Jane Sarche here at your service. And now I'm just scoffing my lunch, and today we are having a very delicious chicken chorizo and chickpea stew. I actually wrote this recipe like, gosh, I think it was in 2016. We have it regularly ever since because it is so damn delicious. The chicken pieces are really nice and juicy and tender. The little chunks of chorizo have flavoured the gravy and the chicken, and the chickpeas are in there just for some added fibre. And all in all, it's delicious. It's kind of spicy, but in a warming way, not in a hot way at all. I actually made this recipe yesterday at home. This is all part of our Make Ahead camping meals. So let me whisk you back in time to the kitchen when I made it. Then I'll bring you back here, and then we'll go and have a look at Dozmary Pool. Honestly, trying to make these videos and keep in my head where I've got to be and when, it's all very confusing. Now in here I've got my onion, and I've already sweated it down. So all I'm going to do now is add the other ingredients, then pop it all in the oven. So in with the onions, we're going to add the chicken and chorizo, the tin of tomatoes, the tin of chickpeas, the dried oregano, and the red wine. Give that all a good stir. Pop the lid on, and in the oven. So that's now gone in the oven for the next 2 hours, and I'll be back directly to show you how it looks. Okay, it's been 2 hours now, and the kitchen is smelling delicious. So that chicken has cooked right down. It's beautiful, soft and tender. The chorizo has flavoured the sauce, and that gravy is just to die for. So I'm going to let this cool down now, then I'll pop it in the fridge overnight, package it up tomorrow in some Tupperware, and take it with us on our travels tomorrow. So it's the following day. I am now up on Bodmin Moor. I'm at Dozmary Pool, and legend has it that Dozmary Pool is the home of the Lady in the Lake. So let's go and have a little wander, see if we can see her, and then we'll come back to the van and have some lunch. So that felt nice, getting out in the sunshine and not having to wear 84 layers of clothes was quite a novelty. So I'm back in Myrtle now, and I'm just reheating my lunch. So we're all done, and I'm afraid I can't even be bothered to dish it up. I'm just going to eat it straight from the pan. I'm going to enjoy this. Ah, what a lovely lunch that was. I feel really warm and snug now. One thing to bear in mind if you're going to make this recipe for your next camping trip is that chicken has to be refrigerated and kept really, really cold. Also, when you come to reheat it, just make sure you give it a good whack with the heat just to burn off anything that shouldn't quite be there. Nobody wants to get sick when they go camping, ever. So do let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Also, don't forget to tell your camping friends all about this channel to come and join our little community here. The more the merrier. And as everybody's kind of waking up and crawling out of winter, everyone's starting to look forward to camping season. So let's get those recipes flowing. So have a brilliant week and a superb weekend as always, beautiful friends, and I'll catch you up with you next Wednesday. Over and out. Cool is that? That's wicked. You don't see that every day, huh? Taking their dog for a walk too.